What'd you get, Addie?
A necklace from Jasper.
What'd he say?
Thank you.
Clayton, what'd you get from Jasper?
Castle book.
Awesome. Where did you go tonight?
Medieval Times.
In a castle?
Yes.
Pretty awesome book, huh?
Yep.
Presto. Show me your monkey. Do it.
Let go.
But then it will shoot. Look at mommy. And
Just shoot it up.
Whoa. And these from me too. Those two. Whoa. Okay.
Trenton, can you say thank you for my books?
Whoa. Thank you for my book. That's from Trenton, I think. Don't do it. Whee! Yeah,
Okay, say thank you, Jasper.
Thank you, Jasper.